Red, brown, yellow. Which one do you actually need? Let me break it down in 60 seconds. Yellow is your smallest plug. Use this for lightweight jobs. Picture frames, small hooks, curtain tracks. It fits a 5mm drill bit and takes a number 8 screw. Plasterboard or light masonry only. Red is the one people most reach for. It's your general purpose plug for solid walls. Brick, block, concrete. A 6mm drill bit, a number 10 screw. Perfect for shelves, mirrors, radiator brackets, anything with a little bit of weight behind it. Brown is your heavy duty option. Bigger holes, bigger screw, a 7mm drill bit, a number 12 or 14 screw. Use this when you're fixing something serious. TV brackets, kitchen units, heavy shelving. You want that extra grip. So, yellow for light stuff, red for everyday jobs, brown for heavy loads. Simple as that. If you found this useful, subscribe for more quick tips every week.